story of love. I wanna do something freaky to you, you. When you hurt me, I wanna do something freaky to you, babe. Call out my name, USHERRAYOND. Baby, tell me what you wanna do to me. Now like Jodeci, at the time that you go with me, holding me, trying to keep control of me nice slowly. You know how my hood goes. Ooh, baby, yeah. Ain't no one better to. Ooh, baby, I just wanna take it. Can I tell you, yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Scream for me, lady. Till the sun comes up, baby. I just wanna take it time. Oh, baby, tell me, do you wanna get free? Yeah. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you like no one has ever made to feel. I'll pick you right away. I'll pick you right away. I'll pick you like no one has ever made you feel. And ladies scream, that's why. And I love you. Ain't got me. I just wanna take it nice. I just wanna take it. I've been loved you down so long, making love till the sun comes up. I just wanna gotta make it soft and warm with the quiet storm on V103. I gotta be real with you, baby. Just gotta let you know. You've got the love that I want. That's right. Love that I need. What is born is butter, baby. Check this out. You're like my homie, my shorty. You've shown me so many things, and you're so special to me. We've been kicking it for a while. Your sexy smile, prima donna style. Ooh, you're driving me so wild. Ain't got no reputation, educated conversation. And ooh, you got that bomb love making. It's more than sexual. This love, you know, is proper though. It's oh so incredible. The love that I want, the love you want. You got the love that I need, the love you need. It's so smooth and so creepy. You got that butter love, baby. You got that butter love, baby. You got the love that I want, the love you want. You got the love that I need, the love you need. It's so smooth and so creepy. You got that butter love, baby. You got it going on, words bomb, sundress with platforms, feet pedicure with no corns. You got that sex appeal on the real, so pure. Soft hands, French manicure, no makeup, you're so pure. You don't be tripping when I'm kicking it. You don't be questioning where I've been and what I did. You got that confidence, sexiness, thickness, that bomb shit, and I get when I'm chilling with my homies, I think about it. I think about you only. You know what I want. eyes, enticing thighs, you make me rise. You got that love I wanna try. Send my tongue up and down your spine. You got that perfect shape, the love you make, I scream your name. Wanna take all your clothes off, sex you till the song goes on. I like your everything, your navel and your fingering. Sexy from head to toe, girl, never gonna let you go. You got that confidence, sexiness, thickness, that bomb. And I like it all. You got it going on, words on, baby. You got that sex appeal on the real lady. You're like my homie, my shorty. You got that butter love. You got it going on, don't you know? That's for sure. I like your face and hands and all of your pretty toes. Baby, you're so right, you're like tight. You got that butter love. I want it, I need it. Soft and warm, the quiet storm. Only one more Soon as we get started making love, going hard, I hear a knock, knock, knocking on the wall. And as soon as I go deep, getting in, then again, there's a knock, knock, knocking on the wall. Girl, your legs keep shaking. I swear we breaking our new headboard, headboard. And the love we make it feels so good, girl. You know I'm proud. Looking at your lovely face, scream my name. You do it so loud. I bet the neighbors know my name. Where you screaming, scratching, yelling. Bet the neighbors know my name. They be stressing while we sexing. Bet the neighbors know my name. My name, my name. I bet the neighbors know my name. Take this pillow right here. Grab this. And I know you're so excited. If you bite it, they won't hear. And you know just what we're capable of when we make it love. So the music gon' be loud. You gon' scream and shout. Girl, your body's a problem. They call me the problem solver. Let the phone sit on the charger. It can ring all night. They can call, they can knock and be upset. But I bet the neighbors know my name. Where you screaming, scratching, yelling. Bet the neighbors know my name. They be stressing while we sexing. Bet the neighbors know my name. My name, my name. I bet the neighbors know my name. While I be banging on your body, they be banging on our wall. While they dreaming, you be screaming. Now they banging on our door. Sometimes she call me Trey, sometimes she say Tremaine. When it's all said and done, but the neighbors know my name. Sometimes she call me Trigger, cause I make her body burn. They might think my name is Whooshu. I make a cut. The neighbors know my name. When you screaming, scratching, yelling, but the neighbors know my name. They be stressing while we sexing, but the neighbors know my name. My name, my name. I bet the neighbors know my name. The neighbors know my name. The neighbors know my name. When you screaming, scratching, yelling, but the neighbors know my name. They be stressing while we sexing, but the neighbors know my name. My name, my name. I bet the neighbors know my name. The way you scream my name, you scream my name. Oh, girl, the love we make. Gon' keep 'em banging on the wall, but nothing's gonna change. I bet the neighbors know my name.
We're the Quiet Storm. I'm Joyce Littell, and my absolute purpose each and every night is to get you in a position so you can relax and unwind. and let the day go and get you started and ready for a whole new day. So welcome to Wednesday. Before I get out of here and make way for Bubby Love, I cannot stress enough that early voting is happening now for the May 24th general primary. You carry a lot of responsibility with you to the polls. That one vote that you give can decide on who will represent you in the U.S. Senate, who will represent you in the governor's office, who will represent you in your local and state elections. So exercise the right that you and everybody else have fought for and go and vote in the May 24th general primary. Now, the actual election day is coming up on Tuesday, May 24th. Early voting will end this Friday, May 20th. So, come on now, stand up and be counted and let your voice be heard. All right? Now, before I do get out of here, I like to drop you a little inspiration. I call it my nightcap. And here's your nightcap. You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Think about it. That's your nightcap. I thank you again for listening to The Quiet Storm. We'll see you back here tonight at 10. Until then, enjoy your Wednesday hump day and definitely have a good night.
The People Station, C103, presents Wiz Khalifa and Logic live in concert on the Vitalverse Tour 2022. Wiz Khalifa. Logic.
Everybody, people. Everybody bleed. Everybody needs some.
With special guests 24K Gold, Fed the God, and Drama. Friday, August 12th at Lakewood Amphitheater. Wiz Khalifa and Logic live in concert. Tickets on sale now at livenation.com. For more details, go to v-103.com.
What's up, ATL? Ramona DeBro here. I have a special guest on the line. You know his name, the super lawyer, Reginald Green. Now, you hear him all over the radio. You see his billboards all over the city. And he has been winning millions for clients and giving back to the community. Mr. Reginald Green, tell Atlanta why they should call the super lawyer.
I really appreciate that. This is Reginald Green, the super lawyer of Green Legal Group. For over 20 years, I've dedicated my life and career to helping accident victims and their families through some of the most difficult times of their lives with compassion, integrity, and expertise. If you or someone you know has been injured or lost their life and someone else is to blame, I want to be your lawyer. I promise to give you personal attention, and I will fight to get you the help you need and the compensation you deserve. For me, it's not just an injury case, it's personal.
You heard it from the man himself. If you have been injured and someone else is to blame, call the super lawyer, Reginald Green, 866-4LAW-411, and tell him Ramona DeBro sent you.
Pay attention, seafood lovers. King Claw is your new spot for yummy seafood boils of all kinds and fantastic frozen drinks. Check out Karaoke Thursdays with DJ Misery at King Claw. Your fun awaits on Mount Zion Road in Morrow. King Claw, the majestic place to be.
You have a passion for justice. At American Intercontinental University, you can bring that passion into focus. With a bachelor's degree in criminal justice from AIU, you'll study the fundamentals of criminology, crisis management, forensics, and more. If you're ready to pursue your education in law enforcement, criminal investigation, or corrections, AIU can put you on the path toward your academic goal. With our Accelerate program, you can receive credit for past college courses or eligible work experience, helping you earn your degree faster. And AIU offers online and hybrid options designed for fit your busy schedule. Get started today. Call AIU at 888-663-4888 or text ACHIEVE to 21899. That's ACHIEVE to 21899.
By texting ACHIEVE to 21899, you are agreeing to receive text by automated means. For further info about AIU's educational services,